Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Till now we have seen lots of leaks and images of OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. But today we have some live images of OnePlus 9 Pro which soon gonna launch hopefully next month. Yesterday Dev2D received few images of OnePlus 9 Pro from an unknown source on his Dev2D Discord server. And all the image credit goes to Dev2D. Here's the first look of OnePlus 9 Pro. In the past we had images of OnePlus 9 and it was kind of similar design. The only difference is between the camera setup and the display. OnePlus 9 will have 3 camera modules but 9 Pro will have 4 camera modules. Also OnePlus 9 will have a support of flat display. Only 9 Pro will support curved edges and I am personally not a fan of flat display panel. Few days back we saw few tweets that OnePlus might collab with Leica for OnePlus 9 series lenses. But if we take a close look on the camera module on these images, and it has a branding of Hasselblad. And if you guys are not aware about Hasselblad, it's a leading manufacturer of digital medium format cameras and lenses. Their cameras are great and they are also expensive. And if OnePlus collabs with Hasselblad, then for sure OnePlus 9 series will be expensive too. You guys drop your thoughts about pricing of OnePlus 9 series in the comment section below. Now let's also take a look at other images of OnePlus 9 Pro. In this particular image, we can see a curved screen similar to OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Previous leaks of OnePlus 9, we saw that OnePlus 9 will have a support of flat display panels. So I think we're not gonna see curved display panels on OnePlus 9. Earlier leaks of OnePlus 9, we had also seen glossy silver back panel and is the same on OnePlus 9 Pro. Also we know that these are not the final units. So can't say anything much about which all color variants will be available in OnePlus 9 series. In this image we can also see some changes done on the frame where we have power button and alert slider. On other OnePlus phones we don't have any kind of changes in the frame at the same place of power button and alert slider. Towards the bottom, OnePlus 9 Pro have same USB Type-C port along with mic, SIM tray and a speaker grill. And if you talk about the screen resolution on OnePlus 9 Pro, here we have Quad HD Plus which is 3120 x 1440 at 120Hz refresh rate. We also have a punch hole camera in front and it's kinda similar in size of OnePlus 8 series. In these images we don't have much of hardware information. Under processor it shows none, but we are sure that OnePlus 9 series will have support of Snapdragon 888. Under display we get to see weird configuration of RAM. Generally we have 6, 8 or 12GB of RAM variants, but here it says 11GB of RAM. And at last there is no information under screen section. On OnePlus 8 series, we had zoom options of 2x on OnePlus 8 and 3x on OnePlus 8 Pro. But here we get to see 3.3x zoom. We need more information to figure out if it is optical zoom or digital zoom. And we also have this tilt shift photography mode on OnePlus 9 Pro. We all know that OnePlus is more focusing on camera segment for their upcoming OnePlus 9 series. And let's wait and see how OnePlus 9 series camera gonna be. So guys, this was a quick look on upcoming OnePlus 9 Pro. Let me know your thoughts about upcoming OnePlus 9 series. That's it in today's video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.